2017 Forest River Sierra 379 flock for sale in Freedom, Wisconsin 54913. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Forest River Sierra 379 flock. This luxury fifth wheel is 42 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 6 power retractable slides, one 20-foot power retractable awning, self-leveling hydraulic jacks, as well as a swivel wheel attachment that is connected to the frame that has the carrying capacity of up to 1,200 pounds, legal in all states because it is actually an extension of the fifth wheel, not a trailer. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its light clean condition. This 2017 Forest River Sierra 379 flock fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 4-burner stove/oven, LG Microwave Control Center Dinette with 4-chair seating, LG residential refrigerator, freezer, ice maker, island counter with double sink, 2 theater chairs with massage and heat features, 2 very comfortable leather full-size couches which are fold-out beds, 50-inch television above the fireplace, sound bar system feeds all rooms plus outside speakers, full-size shower, bathroom sink, toilet, storage closet, outside shower, walk-around, master king-size bed, plenty of bedroom storage, central vac system, and so much more. This 2017 Forest River Sierra 379 flock is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Forest River fifth wheel can be yours.